Ungqongqoshe zokuxhumana nobuchwepheshe unkosazana Stella Ndabeni-Abrahams uthi umqulo oqukethe uhlelo lokuguqula indlela okusetshenzwa ngayo turnaround strategy lubalulekile. Uthi lo mqulo wokuguqula kohlelo kuzomela lucacise ngokuhlonza isibalo sabasebenzi kule nhlangano. Lokhu uthi kuzoveza ukuthi bangaka abasebenzi okuzomela baqeqeshwe kabusha.
If we go for the reskilling, who can we reskill? And all those processes, a clear procurement plan is followed. Then people can come and say, indeed, Minister, we have done all of that. We have realized that 80% have skills that are completely irrelevant from SABC. And therefore, we have, even if we try to upskill them, they would really not match the skills that we need. Then we can start listening. Until SABC does that, the ministry and government in South Africa is not supportive of retrenchments.
Ungqongqoshe uthi kuzomela abaphathi be-SABC bakhombise uhulumeni ukuthi bazilandele izimfuno zomqulo ozolandelwa mayelana nezinguquko zendlela yokusebenza.
For SABC to say they're looking at whatever staff components in order to reduce their costs, they have to convince us that they've followed all those steps that were highlighted.
Ungqongqoshe Ndabeni-Abrahams kanye nohulumeni wesifundazwe bethule izinhlelo ze-broadband yamahhala eMgungundlovu.
We can utilize things like your 3D, and kids can design and print their own toys. You might not even need to go buy toys for your kids.
Kuzovulwa indawo yokuqeqesha ngezobuchwepheshe lapha esikoleni ivezonxibelelwano. Lapho izingane zizothola amathuba okuzenzela impahla ezosetshenziswa umphakathi. Thulani Msimanga, SABC News, Mgungundlovu.